This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tom Waters and less than bedroom greater than Gloria Waters. Welcome home. Updated Spacious Concrete Block Home. No Homeowners Association. Roof, aluminum fascia, soffit and air conditioner replaced 2017. Garage door and opener replaced 2019. Brand new refrigerator West/ice maker is scheduled for delivery the end of March. Brand new smooth top electric range and all new blinds. Brand new carpet in the bedrooms. Easy to maintain vinyl plank flooring in living areas, freshly painted interior and exterior. Interior features, living, dining, family and entry Florida room. The third bedroom does not have a closet. Oversized 2-car, side entry garage with laundry hookups. Extra parking space on the driveway. Just minutes to 301, downtown Sarasota, Ringling College of Art and Design, Robert Taylor Community Complex, Booker Elementary, Emma Booker Middle School, Booker High School, Sarasota/Bradenton Airport, UTC Mall.